Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. The coronavirus is affecting our local community. I just want to make this quick message to let you know what we're doing here in the office to protect you, as well as some steps you can do to protect us. Just to give you an idea of what we're doing behind the scenes that you may not be aware of. First of all, we're constantly cleaning. We're really focusing on all the areas that are high touch. So we're cleaning the door handles on the way in and out, the front desk, and we're constantly cleaning the tables with special attention to the headpiece on each table. We use hospital-grade cleaners to kill all viruses and bacteria. We have hand sanitizer located in all common touch points in our office. We have it in each of the treatment rooms, at the front desk, and at the coffee bar. You will also notice I have hand sanitizer located in each of my workstation. And in between patients, also washing my hands while we disinfect the room for the next patient. Unlike most offices in the area, we do not overbook our patients, and we are spreading out our appointments to provide more social distancing. So here are a few things that you can do. If you're sick, and you have any doubt that you may be infected with the coronavirus, please stay home. We'd love to see you, but we'd rather you stay home and fully recover. We can also now provide a virtual appointment if you're feeling sick in any way. To help with social distancing, please respect your appointment time. If you arrive early or late, call the office to see if we can accommodate you. Finally, please wash your hands and use the hand sanitizer we have all around the office. If you have any questions, give our office a call at 703-912-7822.